Welcome to this FunkyTime demo about activities within projects. Let's say I'm tracking some time on the internal meeting project, and right here I can add some extra information to indicate what I was working on. Now, this works, it's fine, but it can get a bit tedious if I often have to write the same thing here. For example, if there are 3 things that we often meet about, would it not be handy to be able to just select one of them? Well, that's where project activities come in. Let me show you with another project. This one is a client project, and I do have some activities here. I can select them with the mouse or with the arrow keys, as I'm doing right now. You can also, on the mobile app, just tap on it with your finger. Now, I can still add some extra information here, if I want to, but at least I could very quickly select the activity that I wanted. By the way, maybe you're wondering why this time is pre-filled in here. That's because I press Alt-Return when I save a time entry, and that's exactly what it does then. The end time of the previous time entry is just automatically filled in as a start time for the next one. Anyway, back to activities. There are extra benefits to using activities, and those will be found in the reports. If I go down here to the Invoice Annex project and I select the project I was just tracking time on, you will see when I take the report that it will be sorted by these activities that I defined, and it will also show a subtotal for each of them. Even more, I could get the report of just a single one of those activities by selecting it right here. Then when you open the report, it will be limited to just that activity. Now, how do we actually define those activities? Let's go to the main tab, Projects. You'll see all of my projects here within the Broist organization, and I'll open a project here that has that list of activities. When I go to the tab Activities, you'll see them listed right here, and I can add as many of them as I want. For example, I could add one for communication. Now, another thing you'll notice is this column here with the hourly rate. This is the standard project rate, which is filled in the basic information here. But we have the option of overwriting that with individual hourly rates for each activity. For example, here you can see that I filled in 50% of the standard rate because I only charge half of the rate when I'm traveling to my client. Now, the final thing to show is that you can save your list of activities as a template. Save it here, and then you'll be able to load it on another project from here. Well, that's it for the activities. Thanks for watching.